Hello everyone, happy Monday. Today's book is Little Blue Truck's Springtime. We're gonna see a lot of baby animals. Wow, look at those beautiful trees and the beautiful flowers. Little Blue Truck is on the road. There he is, taking a drive with good friend Toad. Can you see Toad? He's driving. It's a yo-ho sky blue spring sing day. Who do they see along the way? They see Mama Sheep. Yo-ho sheep, beep beep, what's new? Mama Sheep has two new lambs. A little white lamb and a twin lamb too. Little Blue, he's still driving. Okay. Who's out swimming in the line? Is that behind the purple and the pink flowers? Let's see. Yo-ho duck and ducklings 9. Wow, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yo-ho goat, what do you say? Can the kids come out to play? There's the goat and 2 baby goats. Yo-ho cow just munching corn. Yo-ho little calf just born. He's so little. And look at all the froggies in the back of the blue truck. Mama Pig, who's in your pen? Yo-ho piglets 1 to 10. Can you see all those little piglets? Ears and clover, that looks funny. Hippity hop, yo-ho bunny. Wow, there are a lot of bunnies. Wow. Bunny sister, bunny brother, and another and another. Wow, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 bunnies. What's this nestled in the grass? Check it out before we pass. Tap, tap. Anybody home? Who's inside this smooth, round dome? Wow, it's a baby chicken. Chickadee chick, everybody shout. Yo-ho, baby chick, come out. You see the baby chick? He just hatched from the egg. Wow. Yo-ho sun, yo-ho sky, yo-ho white clouds sailing by, birds that sing, frogs that leap, yo-ho spring, beep, beep, beep. So as Little Blue drives, he can see all the baby animals. And that's the end. Bye guys.